Imagine sitting down with some of the greatest minds in the business, learning their secrets and applying them to your success. That's what books can do for you. Curious to know which one can make the biggest difference? You are in the right place, because in this video I will share 7 business books that can help you grow your business and think like a pro. Let's start with our book number 1, that is The Lean Startup by Eric Ries. This book is a game changer for anyone looking to turn their idea into a successful business. It's about building, measuring and learning quickly. Imagine you are baking a cake, and instead of mixing everything at once, you add one ingredient at a time, tasting as you go. That's the lean approach. Test small, learn fast and change until you get it right. This book will help you avoid wasting time and resources on your ideas that don't work. At number 2, we have The 4-Hour Work Week by Tim Ferriss. If you have ever dreamed of working less and living more, then this book is for you. Tim Ferriss teaches you how to outsource, automate and delegate so you can focus on what really matters. It's like cleaning your room by tackling one messy corner at a time instead of trying to do everything at once. This book will show you how to create a business that works for you, not the other way around. Next up, we have 0 to 1 by Peter Thiel. This book is all about creating something new and unique, going from 0 to 1. The writer explains that it's better to create a monopoly than to compete in a crowded market. Think about it like this. Instead of opening another coffee shop on the same street, why not to create a coffee shop that offers something no one else does? This book will inspire you to think big and create something truly innovative. At number 4, we have The E-Myth Revisited by Michael Gerber. If you have ever wondered why so many small businesses fail, this book will give you the answers. The writer explains that most entrepreneurs are technicians, not true business owners. He teaches you how to build a business that doesn't rely on you being there every single day. It's like building a machine that can run on its own, so you can focus on growing the business instead of just doing the work. Next up, we have Good to Great by Jim Collins. This book is a deep dive into what makes some companies truly great. Collins and his team studied companies that made the leap from good to great and figured out what they did differently. It's like having a roadmap to success. This book will help you understand the key decisions and practices that can take your businesses to the next level. At number 6, we have Thinking Fast and Slow by Daniel Kahneman. This book is a must read for anyone who wants to make better decisions. The writer, a Nobel Prize winning economist, explains how your brain works and why we make the choices we do. It's like having a personal trainer for your mind. This book will help you understand your own biases and make smarter, more rational decisions in your business. At number 7, we have Atomic Habits by James Clear. While this book isn't specifically about business, it's a game changer for anyone looking to improve their life and their business. Claire teaches you how small, consistent changes can lead to massive results over time. It's like watering a plant every day. Each drop seems insignificant, but over time the plant grows strong. This book will help you build the habits that will take your business to the new heights. Reading books is like having a conversation with some of the most successful people in the world. So pick one of these books, dive in and start applying the lessons to your business today. And if you have already read any of these books, do let us know about your feedback on these books in the comment section below. In any case, thanks for watching.